There has always been colour in film. Since the invention of the cinema, several hundred film colour processes have emerged. They are documented in the timeline of historical film colours. Professor Barbara Flückiger's FilmColors project has been awarded an advance grant from the European Research Council. But why is colour research so important right now? As a result of the digital revolution, we need a scientific procedure for translating film colours into the digital domain. Database-driven aesthetic and narrative analysis. Tools for crowdsourcing colour analysis. Physical and chemical measurements of film colours. Restoration case studies. Groundbreaking research to investigate and develop scientific methods for digitizing and restoring colour film to make film heritage visible again.